AFL Switchblade is a revolutionary solution for underground cable access and storage, designed to meet the demanding needs of the telecom and energy industries. Engineered for performance, durability, and ease of installation, the Switchblade delivers a smarter approach to underground infrastructure. Safe transportation and installation practices should always be followed. Consult all applicable local regulations, standards, and authorities having jurisdiction prior to installation. Always call 811 before any excavation to locate underground utilities. All necessary PPE must be worn at all times while working, and safe lifting techniques should be followed throughout the installation. Begin by safely unloading the Switchblade using the straps located on the top of the base at either end. Before unfolding, cut the handle straps to allow the base to move freely. Carefully unfold the enclosure until it's square, being mindful of all hinge pinch points. Once opened, lock into position by securing the 4 provided self-tapping screws on 2 of the outside corners. This will allow the vault to stay open while placing it into the hole. If required, cut or knock out designated mouse holes located at the bottom of either side of the base. Always keep hands and extremities clear of hinge locations. Proceed to excavate the installation area so that the hole is approximately 1 to 2 feet wider and longer than the enclosure. Dig to a depth approximately 6 inches below the final installed elevation. Add 6 inches of crushed stone to the base to ensure proper drainage. Carefully lower the enclosure into position using appropriate lifting methods. Check alignment and elevation with the level, making any necessary adjustments to ensure proper placement. Install the lid by sliding the cleated end onto the base first and securing it with the provided bolt. For best results, use an impact driver to ensure proper torque and flush fit between the lid and the enclosure base. Backfill, starting with compaction of the short edges of the vault, followed by the long edges. Finish by grading and restoring the surface as required. Thank you for choosing AFL Switchblade Fiber Containment Vault, a stronger, smarter solution built to perform in the toughest underground environments.